There are few achievements more meaningful than witnessing this renewal of a life once burdened by difficulties. Across nations and communities, individuals face quiet struggles, struggle to rebuild stability, to confront unspoken challenges, and to transition from hardship into opportunity. Here in the Turks and Caicos Islands, we are entering a defining phase of our national journey. This moment compels us to look beyond punishment alone and to prioritize restoration, rehabilitation, and strengthen our community resilience. Today, in my role as Minister of Public Safety and Utilities, I am honored to introduce the strategic plan for the Department of Rehabilitation and Community Supervision, which sets out a clear path for years ahead. The work will be demanding, but it is vital work that protects our communities, empowers individuals, and advances the long-term security and prosperity of our islands. This is Vision 2030.
Across the Turks and Caicos Islands, a new chapter in justice and rehabilitation is emerging. It is a chapter shaped by accountability, strengthened by innovation, and guided by the belief that people can grow, change, and rebuild their lives with the right support. The Department of Rehabilitation and Community Supervision has taken on this mission with purpose. Every day, our officers walk into homes, schools, neighborhoods, and workplaces, building trust, changing behavior, and helping individuals take the steps that lead toward safer communities and brighter futures. Our vision remains clear: to prevent and reduce crime through effective supervision, meaningful partnerships, and dynamic rehabilitation initiatives. Our vision is bold: to rebuild lives and create a safer Turks and Caicos Islands for every resident, every family, and every community. We are grounded in core values: integrity, respect, accountability, collaboration, and empathy. These principles are a heartbeat of every decision we make and every interaction we have.
Our journey has not been simple. Beginning in 2019 as a small unit within the Department of Social Development with just 5 employees, we have grown into an independent department entrusted with the rehabilitation and supervision of individuals across the country. With resilience and determination, we have expanded our services, strengthened our partnerships, and introduced modern tools that reflect the true spirit of public service and progress.
Vision 2030 is our roadmap forward. There are 5 strategic pillars that guide everything that we do: staffing, programming, partnerships, infrastructure and data, and outreach.
Our first strategic pillar focuses on our greatest asset, which is our employees. By investing in training, development, and strong leadership, we are building a confident, capable team, one that embodies quality, fairness, and professionalism.
Our second pillar centers on programming. Through structured case management, cognitive behavioral interventions, and trauma-informed practices, we are addressing the root causes of offending and helping individuals build the skills they need to change their lives. We are also strengthening our prevention and intervention frameworks to cater at-risk youth to prevent their entry into the criminal justice system.
Our third pillar is partnership. Rehabilitation is not the work of one department alone. Through collaboration with the police force, the courts, family and children's services, education, behavioral health, churches, and community organizations, we are creating a seamless network that supports individuals at every stage of their rehabilitation journey.
Our fourth pillar is infrastructure and data. By improving our facilities, strengthening our digital systems, and using data to measure outcomes, we are building a foundation for transparency, informed decisions, and continuous improvement.
And our fifth pillar is outreach. We know that real transformation happens in the community. Through school engagement, youth programming, public awareness, and family involvement, we are helping people understand the power of second chances and the impact of rehabilitation done well.
Vision 2030 is our promise to the Turks and Caicos Islands. Our promise to strengthen our islands to smarter justice. It is our promise to guide individuals toward accountability and positive change. It is our promise to uplift families, support communities, and build a safer Turks and Caicos Islands for generations to come. Together with our partners, our officers, and our community, we are shaping a future where rehabilitation is not an afterthought, but a priority. This is Vision 2030, our guide for the work we believe in, the standard we hold ourselves to, and the future we are determined to build for our beautiful by nature Turks and Caicos Islands.